Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix missing notes on your Instagram account. But first, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, let's make sure first if our Instagram app is updated to its latest version. So let's type here Instagram, and then as you can see, my app is updated to its latest version. So if your app isn't updated, just click on the update option. So now let's go back to my Instagram account, and then let's go to the messenger option of the account. So here, this is where you see the notes of your friends list. And if in your account it isn't showing up, then in order to resolve that, just go to your profile and then click on the three bar button at the top, click settings, and then look for the account option. And then here, let's scroll down and look for the switch to professional account. So here, let's just click continue and proceed. So in most cases, whenever you change your account into a professional account, it solves the problem of the lacking features of the account. And whenever you change your account into a professional account, it kind of upgrades your account. So you might want to leave it like that. But as of now, I might return my account into just a normal account. As I have said, whenever you change professional account, it usually solves the problems or the missing features of your account. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you on our next video.